Hey there, jet setters and frequent flyers. Have you ever found yourself stuck in a never-ending line at airport security, wondering if you'll ever escape the clutches of the TSA? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of TSA Precheck. I promise it's more thrilling than watching paint dry. Well, almost. Let's find out how long it takes to get your TSA Precheck and why you should care about this. Picture this, you're at the airport. You've just bought a ridiculously overpriced bottle of water. Now you're facing the horror of a security line that seems to stretch into infinity. It's like a twisted game of, will it ever end?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
But fear not, TSA Precheck is here to rescue you from the abyss. So how long does it take to get TSA Precheck? Let's break it down so you can stop binge watching airport security line YouTube videos and actually start enjoying your trip. Step 1, the application process. First off, you need to apply. And applying for TSA Precheck is as easy as ordering a burrito at a drive-thru if the drive-thru had a lot more paperwork and a mandatory background check. So here's the lowdown. It's an online application. This is where you fill out your personal info. I'll put that link below. It's like dating, but without the romance. Swipe right on that application form and give your details, and you're halfway there. Step 2 is the background check. After you hit submit, it's time for the TSA to play detective. They're gonna run a background check that's more thorough than your grandma's probing questions about your love life. Seriously, don't worry if they start asking about your high school prom date. Now there's processing time. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Just remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to waiting for TSA's blessing. Step 3 is the interview. Next, you'll be summoned to a local enrollment center for an in-person interview. Think of this as your official audition with the TSA, but don't sweat it. They're looking for people who won't smuggle exotic animals or strange gadgets into their carry-ons. Now, scheduling the appointment. You're gonna need to schedule the appointment, which often can be done online. This part can feel like trying to book a table at a trendy restaurant. Reservations? Yes, but you may have to wait for a few weeks. Step 4 is the fingerprints and photos. Once you're at the appointment, they're gonna take your fingerprints and take a photo. It's like being in a celebrity mugshot, but without the paparazzi. Flash that smile and get ready for your close-up. Now you gotta talk about the processing time, right? So the processing time after your appointment can be an additional 2 to 3 weeks for your application to actually be looked at and processed. It's like waiting for your favorite TV show's next season to drop. Step 5 is receiving your KTN, which is your known traveler number. You're gonna need this. If all goes well, you'll receive the known traveler number, KTN, and this is like having a VIP pass at the airport. Show it off proudly, or maybe not. Now once you receive your KTN, it's already activated. And if you want to bask in the glory of not having to remove your shoes and belt of security, well, by all means do it. Do a little happy dance. Now here's some bonus tips. Extra tips to make your TSA Precheck journey go a little bit smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Apply early. Don't wait until your trip's right on the corner. Apply ahead of time so you're not stuck in the I really wish I did this sooner club. Check your status. Keep an eye out on your application status. It's like checking on your online dating profile to see if you got any new matches. Lastly, use the KTN. Make sure you enter the known traveler number when you are booking your flight. This ensures you're not the poor soul that gets stuck in the regular line telling them you have TSA, but it's not on your ticket. So how long does this whole application process take? Well, the entire process from application to getting your KTN can range from 6 to 8 weeks. That's about the same time it takes for you to finally get around to finishing that vacation scrapbook that you've been ignoring. And there you have it. With TSA Precheck, you'll be zipping through security like a pro and spending less time in line and more time at the bar, enjoying a well-deserved drink before your flight. If you're of age, of course. Now, if you enjoyed this video with more travel tips on your adventures, make them smoother than a freshly ironed shirt, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Have safe travels, and may your lines be short and your layovers be even shorter. Till next time, fly high, and remember, life's too short to waste on airport lines. I will see you at the gate.